Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make $100 a month writing on Medium. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. The first question is it possible to make $100 a month on Medium? Can any writer use Medium to make $100 a month? Yes, you may not have made much money in the first month, but that doesn't mean you won't make more as time goes on. Medium is a platform that is a lot more like blogging. It takes time to build a following and write stories. Once you reach a certain number of followers, you can make a lot of money through this platform. Medium partner program writers who make $1,000 a month. Most of these writers have been writing on this platform since it first started. Take, for example, the startup publication on Medium. It's been around since Medium's publication feature was first added. No one else on this platform has ever done so well in one day. These writers have spent a lot of time writing and promoting their work to get more people to read it or get it published. I wrote a story about how to get more people to read your Medium stories. It made me $1.5 in a day. This means that if I publish 75 stories in a month, I can make that much money. This is easier to say than to do, but one day I might set myself the goal of writing 75 stories in 1 month. If you make more than $100 on Medium in a month, you will be in the top 8% of people who make money through the Medium Partner Program. The plan on how to make $100 a month. Write longer stories. By longer, I mean stories that take more than 10 minutes to tell. I've never told anyone this, but it works perfectly for me. Every day, write, edit, and publish. More money will come to the table if the stories are longer. I follow a writer on Medium who only posts things that make 10 minutes or more to read. Write more stories. There are more than 1,000 stories on this platform by writers who make more than $500 a month through the Medium Partner Program. You can start at any time. If you wrote one story every day, you'd have more than 730 stories on Medium after 2 years. Consider your Medium post a product. This is a wonderful idea. It helps writers and people who make content think more like designers. Because I also have a channel on YouTube, so this idea also helped me. Your story on Medium is a money-making machine for you. Write it well and in a useful way. Don't think about $100. Think different, think bigger, and always think about the big picture of the story. After 5 years, Medium.com will be nothing like it is now. I bet you after 5 years, Medium might have more ways for writers to make money from their content. Think about how things fit together. Write about a niche. Jack of all trades, master of none is a famous quote. So, be an expert and find your own niche. I write about digital products and digital marketing on platforms such as Medium and Quora. This is what I know, and it's also what I write about. I might write about US politics in the future, maybe. If you are living in a developing country, making 100 US dollars a month is a lot of money. But if you live in a developed country, it doesn't seem like much. But it's fun to make money from writing on a website with the best editor in the world. Thanks for watching my videos to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.